Hello students, welcome to OCS by Ranjan YouTube channel. आज आम एसएसपी लेक्चरर जूलॉजी क्वेश्चन को डिस्कसन करिबा। एटा होची 2016 क्वेश्चन। आपण माने जदि एसएसबी लेक्चरर ପାଇଁ प्रिपेयर होचंती ताले टेस्ट सीरीज ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हे गलानी ऐप रे। आपण इंस्टॉल करी टेस्ट सीरीज नै परिबे। डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अछि, हम ऐप को इंस्टॉल करंतु आ टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं पारे। ठीक अच्छे, देखा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, spectrin of erythrocytes and cytochrome C of mitochondria are example of dash। एरिथ्रोसाइट रो स्पेक्ट्रिन आउ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया साइटोक्रोम सी रो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कहार एग्जांपल अटे। ऑप्शन ए एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन बी इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन सी टनल प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन डी साइटोप्लाज्मिक प्रोटीन। क्वेश्चन 1 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन। ठीक अछि, एरिथ्रोसाइट स्पेक्ट्रिन नो एरिथ्रोसाइट्स आउ साइटोक्रोम सी रो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होचंती एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन नो एग्जांपल। Question number 2, intermediate filaments are made up of dash। intermediate filaments काहाकु नै गठित। ऑप्शन ए नॉन कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन बी बीटा ट्यूबुलिन, ऑप्शन सी मायोसिन, ऑप्शन डी एक्टिन। राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज नॉन कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल प्रोटीन। ठीक अच्छे, इंटरमीडिएट फिलामेंट गुड़ा नॉन कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल प्रोटीन को लेकिन तैयारी होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, among the following which is not present in smaller subunit of ribosome। राइबोसोम रो स्मॉलर सबयूनिट रे कोटा प्रेजेंट नाही। ऑप्शन ए पेप्टिडिल ट्रांसफरेज, ऑप्शन बी बाइंडिंग साइट फॉर टीआरएनए, ऑप्शन सी ए साइट, ऑप्शन नंबर डी पी साइट। 3 रो राइट आंसर हबो राइबोसोम रो स्मॉलर सबयूनिट रे पेप्टिडिल ट्रांसफरेजटा प्रेजेंट न थाए, बाकी सब प्रेजेंट थाए। Sorry। Next question number 4, in leaf cutter ants division of labor among workers is related to the dash। leaf cutter ant मानकर division of labor among worker related to कहा सहित एटा related, worker sex, number of workers, worker size, all of the above। आंसर ऑफ worker size। ठीक अच्छे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, अनलाइक प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन, यूकैरियोटिक डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन। ऑप्शन नंबर ए होची इज कंप्लीटेड बाय डीएनए पॉलीमरेज, ऑप्शन बी cannot be completed by DNA polymerase, option C is semi-conservative, option D has a multiple origin। 5 रो right answer of option D, that is has a multiple origin। Question number 6, using the molecular record to determine phylogenetic relationship is based on the assumption that option A nucleotide sequence do not change over time, option B nucleotide sequence change at a fairly constant rate over time, option D nucleotide sequence change randomly and erratically over time, option D evolutionary changes occur in phenotypes but not in genotypes। 6 रो right answer होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी, that is nucleotide sequences change randomly and erratically over time। Question number 7. Molecular chaperones dash. Molecular chaperone कहले कौन बुझे? Option A are found in the nucleus and aid in folding of DNA. Option B degrade proteins that have folded incorrectly. Option C help new proteins fold correctly and repair incorrectly folded protein. Option D are only present in cells that are exposed to high temperature. Molecular chaperone ro artho hoji help new protein fold correctly and repair incorrectly folded proteins. ठीक अच्छे. Next question number 8. The electron donor during nitrogen fixation is nitrogen fixation बेले electron donor किए. Option A होची water. Option B ferrocyanide. Option C ferrodoxin. Option D CO2. Question number 8 answer होची option number C, that is ferrodoxin. Question number 9. Fighting over shared resources is called dash. Option A character displacement. Option B competitive exclusion. Option C exploitative competition. Option D interference competition. Question 9 ro right answer होची option number D, that is interference competition. Question number 10. Which of the following is correct with regard to aneuploidy? Aneuploidy अनुसारे कोटा correct अटे. Option A inversion. Option B 2n+1. Option C all aneuploid individuals die before birth. Option D 4n. 10 रो answer हबो option number B 2n+1. Question number 11. In prokaryotes where the mitochondria is absent, the site of oxidative phosphorylation and electron transport chain including dehydrogenase is option A mesosomes, option B endosomes, option C plasma membrane, option D microsomes. 11 answer habo option number A, that is mesosomes. Next 12. Holiday junction is observed during dash. Option A mitosis, option B interphase, option C recombination, option D DNA repair. Right answer होची recombination. Option C होची right answer. Holiday junction is observed during recombination. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a type of epithelial cell? आ भितर कोटा गोटे टाइप रो epithelial cell नुह. Option A cuboidal cells, option B mast cell, option C squamous cells, option D columnar cells. Obviously answer हो कोटा mast cell, कारण epithelial cell अंडर कौन जाउची cuboidal cells, squamous, columnar एगुड़ा सब होची कौन epithelial cell रो types. Question number 14. A month sex attractant would be a dash hormone, neurotransmitter, steroid, pheromone. 14 no right answer of pheromone. A month sex attractant would be a pheromone. Question number 15. During some type of antibiotic treatment, patients often experience diarrhea because antibiotic treatment रे patient करो diarrhea होता है कारण option A antibiotic are toxic to the colon's epithelium as well as to bacteria. Option B, the bacterial flora of the large intestine digest fiber, which otherwise would create osmotic pressure and result in decreased water reabsorption. Option C, antibiotic interfere with the vitamin absorption process normally occurring within the large intestine. Option number D, after intestinal bacteria have been killed, an unusually large amount of water is reabsorbed. कौन होता है 15 नंबर आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी. The bacterial flora of the large intestine digest fiber, which otherwise would create osmotic pressure and result in decreased water reabsorption. Question number 16. What is the probability that a male will inherit an X-linked recessive gene from his father? Option A 0, option B 25%, option C 50%, option D 75%. 16 ର right answer ହେଉଛି option number A, that is 0. A protein having both structural and enzymatic traits is option A. एमिति को प्रोटीन पाखरे structural और enzymatic trait थाए. Option A myosin, option B collagen, option C trypsin, option D actin. Answer of option number A, that is myosin. Next question 18. Calcium plays an important role in option A neural conduction, muscle contraction, option C blood clotting, option D all of the above. 18 ನ answer होगा option number D, all of the above. Question number 19. A heritable feature is a dash and may have two or more variant called dash. Option A trait, option B character, option C character, a trait or factor, option C character or factors, option D trait or factors. 19 ನ answer होगा option number D, that is trait or factors. Question 20. The genetic disease cystic fibrosis is caused by a defective allele that option A produce a dysfunctional enzyme that fails to break down brain lipids, option B causes hemoglobin molecules to collapse, option C produces a defective chlorine channel membrane transport protein, option D produces a neurotoxin. 20 ର answer ହେବ option number C, that is produces a defective chlorine channel membrane transport protein. 21. Huntington's disorder is due to an autosomal dominant allele. If a heterozygous male marries a normal female, what percentage of the offspring will have Huntington's? 21 ର right answer ହେଉଛି option D, that is 50%. Question 22. If insufficient PTH is produced, the blood calcium level drops, resulting in dash. Option A reduced growth in childhood or parathyroid dwarfism, option B tetany where the body shakes from continuous muscle contraction, option C osteoporosis, option D exophthalmic goiter. 22 ର right answer ହେଉଛି option number B, that is tetany where the body shakes from continuous muscle contraction. 23. The cardiac sphincter surrounds the cardiac orifice. If this sphincter failed to properly constrict, there might be a problem with dash. Option A regurgitation of food into the esophagus, Option B, movement of the bolus into the trachea rather than the esophagus. Option C, rapid emptying from the stomach to the small intestine. Option D, rapid emptying from the small intestine to the large intestine. 23 answer of option number A, that is regurgitation of food into the esophagus. Next 24, the change in coloration of the peppered moth in an example of option A population with disruptive selection, option B a population with directional selection, option C a population with stabilizing selection, option D a population with no selection. 24 answer of option B, a population with directional selection. 25, character displacement is associated with dash. Character displacement टा कहा सहित associated? Option A sympatric species, option B allopatric species, option C Iceland biogeography, option D secondary succession. 25 ର answer ହେବ option number A, that is sympatric species. 26, the structure formed where two adjacent membranes are thickened with this shape adhesive material in between and tonofibrils radiating out from adhesive region is gap junction, option B tight junction, option C desmosomes, option D plasmodesmata. Answer of option C, that is plasmodesmata. Next 27, Charga found that for DNA the ratio of A to C is close to 1:1 and the ratio of G to T is close to 1:1. Option B, the ratio of A to T is close to 1:1 and the ratio of G to C is close to 1:1. Option C, the ratio of A to G is close to 1:1 and the ratio of T to C is close to 1:1. Option D, A plus T is equal to G plus C. 27 the right answer होची option number B, that is the ratio of A to T close to 1:1 and the ratio of G to C close to 1:1. 28, the poisonous red tides result from blooms of dash. Option A diatoms, option B dinoflagellate, option C red algae, option D foraminifera. 28 answer of option number B, that is dinoflagellate. 29, in India most of plant flowers during spring or summer because India रे most of the plant flowers during spring or summer because it is breeding season for butterflies. Option B, more solar radiation are available. Option C, fruit and seed setting must be completed before onset of monsoon. Option D, environmental fluctuation are low. 29 ର right answer होची option number C, that is fruit and seed setting must be completed before onset of monsoon. ठीक ଅଛି, next question number 30, a new species can arise in a single generation. Option A, through geographical isolation, option B, in a very large population that is spread over a large area, option C, if a change in chromosome number create a reproductive barrier, option D, if allopatric speciation occurs. 30 the answer of option number C. A new species can arise in a single generation if a change in chromosome number create a reproductive barrier. Question 31, in conjugation of the ciliate paramecium dash are exchanged. Option A macronuclei, option B heterocyst, option C zoogonia, option D micronuclei. 31 right answer of option number D micronuclei. 32. Malaria results from a mosquito injecting the dash of plasmodium into the human bloodstream. इजी आंसर आर होची कौन स्पोरोजोइट जो मशा कामुड़ी थाए से आम बॉडी भितर कौनटा छाड़ी थाए स्पोरोजोइट 33 in bone formation chondrocytes die because of dash option A regression of capillaries option B impregation of matrix by fatty substance option C shrinkage of the lacuna option D calcification 33 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी calcification 34 the change in coloration of the pepper moth is an example of option A population with disruptive selection option B a population with directional selection option C a population with stabilizing selection option D population with no selection 34 answer above option number B a population with directional selection 35 eusocial animals exhibit sexual selection option B live in colonies with many fertile females option C exhibit territory within the colony option D exhibit kin selection 35 रो answer है option number A that is exhibit sexual selection 36 which of the following helps a prey species advertise to predator that it is unpalatable option A Beltian bodies option B primary compounds option C aposematic coloration option D cryptic coloration 36 answer hobo option number D cryptic coloration 37 human males are much more likely to have hemophilia than human females. This is the case because option A hemophilia is a contagious disease to which males are more susceptible. Option B the gene for hemophilia is carried on the Y chromosome. Option C hemophilia is carried on the autosome. Option D the gene for hemophilia is sex linked. 37 answer of option number D gene for hemophilia is sex linked 38 how many map units is a recombination frequency of 5% equal to option A 2.5 centimorgan option B 10 centimorgan option C 5 centistutevants option D 5 centimorgan 38 answer of option number D 5 centimorgans 39 each cell is in an individual with Down syndrome contains dash chromosome Down syndrome जहाँ पाखे थी तापाखे केतेटा क्रोमोसोम थी आंसर हम 47 Question number 40 producing a vaccine against the test fly borne trypanosomes is very difficult because option A testes flies are hard to grow in captivity option B trypanosomes each have over 1,000 genes of antigens but express only one at a time option C the disease is only expressed in humans and experimental subjects are hard to get option D the trypanosomes does not cause an antibody response 40 answer of option number B trypanosomes each have over 1,000 genes for antigens but express only one at a time 41. Protein folding is mainly driven by all of the following except option A hydrophobic interaction, option B hydrogen bonds, option C covalent bonds, option D electrostatic attraction. 41 answer above option number D electrostatic attraction. 42. Dosage compensation in case of human is achieved by hyperactivation of X chromosome, option B hyperactivation of Y chromosome, heterochromatization of X chromosome, heterochromatization of Y chromosome. 42 answer above option number C heterochromatization of X chromosome. 43. The gradual mode of speciation in single lineage in which species diverge in spurts of relatively rapid change which result in increase in species is termed as 43 ର right answer ହେଉଛି option number A punctuated equilibrium. 44. The major reservoir for phosphorus is aquifer, soil and rocks, the atmosphere, clouds. Answer of option B soil and rocks. 45. The total amount of energy that is converted to organic compound in a given area per unit of time is called the biomass. Net primary productivity, gross primary productivity, consumer rate. Answer above option C gross primary productivity. When isolated liver cells are combined with nonpolar toxins, initial processing in the dash increase the solubility of these compounds as an initial step in their excretion. Option A smooth ER, option B Golgi apparatus, option C mitochondria, option D rough endoplasmic reticulum. 46 ର answer ହେବ option A that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next 47. Sister worker ant have dash percent of their gene in common. Option A 30, option B 60, option C 75, option D 90. 47 answer of option C 75. 48. Progression through the eukaryotic cell cycle is regulated by option A microtubule, option B the p53 gene, option C cyclin dependent kinase, option D DNA ligase. 48 ର right answer ହେଉଛି option number C cyclin dependent kinase. 49. Learning is a durable change in behavior as a result of dash instinct, experience, imprinting, altruism. 49 answer of option B experience. Question number 50. The earth is an open system with respect to dash organism, chemicals, energy, all of the above. 50 answer of all of the above. Next 51. In a salt marsh the meiofauna option A are represented by crab and lobster, option B include fish, option C are very small animals that live between the sand grain, option D are the algae. 51 answer of option number C. 52. What is the single most important factor contributing to losing or creating endangered species? Option A air pollution, option B clear cut logging, option C habitat loss, option D water pollution. 52 answer of option C that is habitat loss. 53. The type of biome has very long cold winter, short warm summer, are typically has acidic soil as a result of the cold temperature and litter fall. Option A desert, option B tundra, option C taiga, option D temperate forest. 53 answer of taiga. Next 54. Which of them do not cause variation at a genetic level? Option A mutation and recombination, option B gene migration and drift, Option C, natural selection and artificial selection. Option D, panmictic population. 54 answer of option C, natural selection and artificial selection. 55. Which of the following list contain a locomotor mechanism not possessed by protists? Option A, pseudopodia. Option pseudopodia, cilia and flagella. Option B, flagella, axopodia and pseudopodia. Option C, flagella, pseudopodia, tupid. Option D, cilia and pseudopodiate. Answer of option number C. 56. Hypothalamic releasing and release inhibiting hormones are transported from the hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary by way of 56 answer of option B, by way of a portal system of blood vessels directly connecting the two organs. Next, 57. The receptors for non-steroid peptide hormones are on the option A, plasma membrane. Option B, nuclear envelope. Option C, DNA receptor complex. Option D, peptide chain. 57 answer of option number A, that is plasma membrane. 58. The epithelium lining the inner surface of the digestive tract is formed from ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, all of the above. Answer hochi endoderm. Next, which of the following is not a part of the lymphatic immune system? 59 answer hochi option D, pancreas. 60. The evolution of two interacting species in a community is referred to as population pressure, carrying capacity, co-evolution, allopatric speciation. 60 answer of co-evolution. 61. A particular allele can have different effect if it was inherited from a male rather than a female. This phenomenon is known as option A, extranuclear inheritance, aneuploidy, sex linkage, genome imprinting. 61 answer hochi option C, sex linkage. 62. Which sex would show mate choice? Always male, always females. The sex having higher parental investment, the sex having lower parental investment. Answer is option C, the sex having higher parental investment. 63. Which of the following statement about territoriality is true? 63 answer of option D, that is none of the above are true. 64. The liver is formed from nerve tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue. Liver ta form ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠୁ? 64 answer of option number B, epithelial tissue. Calcitonin dash regulate the calcium level in blood, is balanced by the action of parathyroid hormone, increases the deposit of calcium in bone. Option D, all of the above. 65 answer of option number D, that is all of the above. 66. During crossing over, exchange of genetic material takes place between two chromatid, two chromosome. Option C, the non-sister chromatid of the paired chromosomes. Option D, two sister chromatids of each homologue. 66 answer of option number C, that is the non-sister chromatid of the paired chromosome. 67. Birds with average sized wings survived a severe storm more successfully than other birds in the same population with longer or shorter wings. This illustrates the founder effect, stabilizing selection, artificial selection, gene flow. 67 answer of option number B, stabilizing selection. 68. When it is possible for a population growth rate to be less than 0? Option A, when the death rate is greater than the birth rate. Option B, the population growth rate can never be less than 0. Option C, when the birth rate is equal to the death rate. Option D, when the birth rate is greater than the death rate. 68 answer of option number A, when birth Death rate is greater than birth rate. 69. When a red deer, stag, or male songbird defends a certain area, he is showing option A imprinting label, option B fixed action pattern, option C territory, option D dominancy hierarchy. 69 answer of option number C. 70. During a secondary immune response, option A selected B generate antibody produced in effector B cells called plasma cell. Option B, the stricken individual may become ill. Option C, about 10 to 17 days are required from exposure to maximum effector response. Option D, the generation of effector cells begin with memory cells produced during the primary immune response. 70 answer of option number D. The generation of effector cells begin with memory cells produced during the primary immune response. 71. Which is the correct order from least to most complex? Option A glucuronate, hyaluronate, proteoglycan, GAG chain. Option B hyaluronate, glucuronate, GAG chain, proteoglycan, GAG chain, hyaluronate, glucuronate, proteoglycan. Option D glucuronate, hyaluronate, GAG chain, proteoglycan. 71 होची कोड करेक्ट ऑर्डर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए. 72. The reason urine does not seep out of the bladder is due to the role of adherent junction, hemidesposome, gap junction, tight junction. Answer is option A adherence junction. 73. Which of the following drugs would seem to have the most promise as a drug for inhibiting transplant rejection? 73 answer of option number B. Compound HY52 suppress cytotoxic T cell. 74. A critical breakthrough that made automated PCR possible was dash. Option A the discovery that bacteria did not use codons. Option B a method to convert exon into intron. Option C the discovery of a temperature insensitive stable DNA polymerase in a hot spring bacterium. Option D the use of atomic energy to produce the chain reaction. 74 answer of option C. Next 75. All crustaceans have a unique kind of larva called nade, Nautilus, planula, nymph. 75 answer of option number B. 76. The major impediment to large size in arthropods is option A the poor respiratory system, option B the inadequate nervous system, option C the inability of their excretory system to conserve water, option D the weight of a sufficient strong exoskeleton. 76 आंसर मत कमेंट सेक्शन में कहे यार राइट आंसर कौटा हम ठीक अच्छे. नेक्स्ट देखा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 77. A dash is used to introduce recombinant DNA into cells. Option A clone, option B PCR machine, option C probe, option D vector. 77 answer of option number D, it is vector. Next 78. In a series of immune system experiment, the thymus gland were removed from baby mice. Which of the following would you predict as a likely result? Our right answer of the mice readily accepted tissue transplant. 79. Tissue are typed before an organ transplant to make sure that the dash of donor and recipient match as closely as possible. 79 answer of option number C MSC major histocompatibility complex protein. 80. The simple eyes of insect are option A ocelli, option B apposition eyes, option B radomes, option D omatidia. 80 ର answer ହେବ option number A. Next 81. Which of the following insect structures is not homologous to the other listed? Option A wings, option B antenna, option C mandibles, option D cheliceria. 81 answer ହେବ option number A. 82. For hydroxylation of specific prolyl residue during collagen synthesis require all of the following except Fe2 plus, a specific amino acid sequence, ascorbic acid, succinate. 82 answer about succinate. 83. In all enzymes, the active site contain the substrate binding site. Option B is contiguous with the substrate binding site in the primary sequence. Option C contain a metal ion as a prosthetic group. Option D contain the amino acid side chain involved in catalyzing the reaction. Answer of option number A. 84. The structural features that are common to all prostaglandins include option A have right answer, that is 20 carbon atoms. ठीक ଅଛି. 55. The liquid part of blood after the fibrinogen is removed is common question. Answer of serum. 86. The RNA is the cell with the greatest sequence diversity is messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, tRNA, both A and C. Answer of messenger RNA. 87. The heartbeat begins with the depolarization of the atrioventricular node, bundle of his sinoatrial node, Purkinje fiber. 87 answer of sinoatrial node. 88. A linkage group corresponds to a dash. Answer of chromosomes. 89. Atria contract just before diastole, during diastole, right after systole, during the systole. 89 answer of option number B, during diastole. 90. The tissue layer common to all blood vessel is a answer B have right answer, that is endothelium. Next 91. If parents have AB and O blood group, their offspring could be of dash O group only, AB group, ABO group, ABO and AB group. 91 answer of option number B, AB group. 92. Similar set of regulatory genes control development in Arabidopsis, Drosophila and mice. These genes are called homologous, heterologous, homeotic, orthologous. 92 answer of option C, that is homeotic. 93. If total concentration of A equal to T is 56%, what will be the concentration of cytosine in genome? 93 answer of 22. Next 94. Which of the following is the most muscular chamber in bird's heart or a mammal's heart? Answer of option number C, the left ventricle. 95. Lectotype is dash. Lectotype कौन? आर आंसर मत कमेंट सेक्शन में कहिबे और राइट आंसर कौन हो. 96. Extinction rate is high at mainlands, large island, small island near mainlands. Option D small island far from mainlands. 96 answer of option number D, that is small island far from main island. 97. Among the following which is not an endangered animal? Asiatic lion, Asiatic tiger, Indian wild ass, rhesus monkey. Answer about 97 option D, that is rhesus monkey. 98. In which type of heart Is there mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? को टाइप हार्ट रे फिश फ्रॉग क्रोकोडाइल ऑल ऑफ द अबव फ्रॉग रे ठीक अच्छे नेक्स्ट 99 species that have a disproportionately large impact on the maintenance of an ecosystem biodiversity are referred to as exotics, primary producer, archaea, keystone species. Answer above keystone species. Next 100 biodiversity hotspots are mainly located at equator in temperate region between tropics in arctic region. 100 रा आंसर अब ऑप्शन सी बिटवीन ट्रॉपिक्स ठीक अच्छे तो यहाँ है 2016 एसएसबी लेक्चरर जूलॉजी क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन जदि आपण मैंने एसएसबी लेक्चरर प्रिपेयर करूछंती ताहले आपण मैंने टेस्ट सीरीज जॉइन करें वीडियोर डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अच्छी आम आप को डाउनलोड करूँ से आपण मैंने सब ऑनर्सर टेस्ट सीरीज पाइपर ठीक अच्छे तो नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ।